Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venkat. In this video I will show you how to fix mismatched product ID on Among Us. I am going to open play games. Click on settings. Here you can see actually I was signed into Venkat1097 account, and also make sure that sign in to the games with this account make turned on. And also if you are logged in before, try to delete that. Actually I have done that. Now I am going to open Among Us game. And also if you love to join us on live, you can subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to provide more videos about Among Us, so you can subscribe to us. And also if you like this video, you can hit like. I'm going to provide my date of birth. Now I'm going to sign in. So here you can see play games connected to Venkat1097 account. So now click on allow. Click on allow again. So now you can see Venkat1097 account was connected and it was mismatched. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to close Among Us game. So let me open play games and click on settings. Now here I'm going to delete the Among Us account. So you can see Among Us name here. I'm going to click on delete. So I have deleted this. Now I'm going to change my Google account to another account. So now you can see it's Venkat YouTube. Now I'm going to turn on this sign into game with this account. So I have turned on. Now let me check whether this is connected to this account or not. No, it's not connected. And also I will make sure to clear local history. So I have done that. Now let's open Among Us. Before opening, let's clear caches and storage. Clear caches and clear storage. Okay, it's done. Now let's open this game. Now I'm going to provide date of birth. Let's select another date of birth because this is another account. Click on OK. Now let's try to log in. So now it is connecting again. Click on allow. Click on allow again. So it is asking you to create account, and this is another account. You have seen that it's Venkat YouTube, and we have created account successfully. Now we can change name and we can use free chat. Let me show you whether free chat works or not. See, you can use free chat, and also you can change name. You can change, let me replace it with my name. So I will try to log out and log in again. So it is working absolutely fine, guys. In order to make this work, you need to have two accounts, and you need to make sure that you have logged out from previous account in both Among Us and Google Play Games, then try it with new account. And also if you want to join us on live, you can subscribe to the channel guys. I will be doing regular streams on Among Us. If you want, you can check out our channel. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.